2013 Chrysler 300S 5.7 liter HEMI. What we got done on it for you guys? Got factory converters there and there. Then it goes 2 1/4 pipe all the way to a factory X pipe. Then we left the factory resonators or mufflers. Each person calls them differently. He's gonna see what it sounds like. He's got kids, so I don't blame him. And then we did a rear muffler delete there and there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off right there. That's how you do a rear muffler delete on these. He's gonna take those tips off and bring it back. We're gonna put some 5-inch tips on it for him. Like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Appreciate it. Chrysler 300. What do you think? That's what you wanted?
Yeah, it ain't too loud, but it's good right now.
That's sound decibels there. That other one was 113. Like this one's barely at 97. Go ahead. Yeah, right. Anything under 100 is actually like, they'll let the baby sleep. That hum of it, you know? I like it. It's not too much.
Yeah, it's not too much.
You get bored of it, you can add more to it and more, you know? Chrysler 300S HEMI. Nice black wheels, black everything. I like it. What do you guys think? Let us know. That's a rear muffler delete. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chrysler 300S 2013 rear muffler delete. Still got the mids. Deleted the rears. Beautiful. Not too much, just enough.